Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to clock in on ADP. First, ensure you have your correct company code, username, and password readily available. You can access ADP through a web browser or by downloading the official mobile application. These credentials are essential for logging in successfully and managing your time. Make sure to keep them secure and handy for daily use. Once you are logged into the ADP web portal, look for the My Time or Time Card section on your main dashboard. Often, a prominent clock-in button will be visible right there, perhaps in a large, easy-to-spot format. Simply click this button to register your start time for the day. A confirmation message should appear, indicating your successful clock-in, usually showing the exact time. For convenience on the go, the ADP mobile app offers a streamlined clock-in process. After logging in, you will typically find the clock-in function prominently displayed on the app's home screen or under a dedicated time tab. A quick tap on the clock-in button will record your working hours. The app will provide instant confirmation, making it easy to manage your time from virtually anywhere. Occasionally, you might encounter minor issues when trying to clock in. First, verify your internet connection is strong, as this is a common cause for errors. If you cannot log in, carefully re-enter your credentials, ensuring accuracy. For app-related problems, try restarting your phone or clearing the app's cache. If issues persist after these steps, please reach out to your supervisor for assistance. They can provide further guidance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.